Welcome back to Starbike, your ultimate destination for all things fast, sleek and two-wheeled. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a bike enthusiast, this is the channel where you'll get the latest updates, reviews and deep dives into the world of superbikes. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now, let's dive into today's spotlight, the 2035 Kawasaki Ninja H2R 1000. Kawasaki has once again pushed the boundaries of engineering and speed with the 2025 iteration of the Ninja H2R 1000. Known as one of the most powerful and aggressive bikes ever made, the H2R 1000 is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, power, and cutting-edge technology. Let's break it all down and understand what makes this superbike a legend on two wheels. The Ninja H2R 1000 doesn't just represent raw power, it's a symbol of Kawasaki's relentless pursuit of excellence. The 2025 model retains its iconic DNA while incorporating advancements that make it even more formidable. With a top speed exceeding 250 mph and a supercharged engine that delivers over 310 horsepower, the H2R 1000 has cemented its status as the king of track-focused motorcycles. This beast isn't designed for the faint-hearted. It's built for pure adrenaline and performance. But before we talk about its specs in detail, let's take a moment to appreciate the history of this iconic series. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R made its debut in 2015, and from the very beginning it shattered expectations. Named after Kawasaki's legendary H2 Mach-4 of the 1970s, the H2R was created to showcase the brand's engineering prowess. The introduction of the supercharger was a game-changer, giving the bike unmatched acceleration and power. Over the years, Kawasaki has continued to refine and enhance the H2R, keeping it at the forefront of motorcycle innovation. Fast forward to 2025, and we see how far the series has come. The new H2R 1000 boasts an improved aerodynamic design, including enhanced winglets and a more streamlined fairing. These changes not only reduce drag, but also increase stability at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber body further optimizes the bike's performance, ensuring it handles as smoothly as it accelerates. Under the hood, the heart of the 2025 H2R 1000 is its 998cc inline-4 supercharged engine. This engine has been meticulously tuned to deliver more power and efficiency than ever before. The integration of advanced electronics like Kawasaki's cornering management function and traction control ensures that the rider has complete control even at extreme speeds. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its enhanced braking system. Equipped with state-of-the-art Brembo brakes, the H2R 1000 offers exceptional stopping power. This is complemented by its Öhlins electronic suspension, which adjusts in real time to provide optimal performance on the track. While the H2R 1000 is undoubtedly a track-focused machine, Kawasaki has also considered the rider's comfort. The 2025 model comes with an updated ergonomic design, making it slightly more forgiving for extended rides. The digital TFT display is loaded with features, giving the rider access to detailed performance metrics, navigation, and customizable settings. Let's talk about pricing, as this is where things get serious. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R 1000 is priced at a premium, reflecting its status as a cutting-edge superbike. With a price tag of approximately $60,000, it's clear that this machine is aimed at serious enthusiasts and collectors. While this might seem steep, the few other bikes can match. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Who is this bike for? The Ninja H2R 1000 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement. It's for those who crave speed, power, and the thrill of pushing boundaries. However, it's important to remember that the H2R 1000 is not street legal in most regions. This is a track-focused bike, designed for closed courses and professional riders. If you're looking for a street-legal alternative, that's where my street hail. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R 1000 is a marvel of engineering and design. It's a bike that doesn't just break records, it redefines what's possible in the world of motorcycles. Whether you're an aspiring rider or a seasoned pro, the H2R 1000 is a machine that demands respect and admiration. Thanks for joining us today on Starbike. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2R 1000, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments, what's your favourite feature of the H2R 1000, and would you take it for a spin? Until next time, ride safe and keep chasing the thrill.